Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I grabbed over at Walgreens for the week. So I thought this was going to be a slower week, and I kept going through the ad trying to figure out what I was going to buy, and somehow I worked my magic and I got all of these items for free and made over $15 buying it all. So of course I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how I did that. I am also going to be announcing the winner of the $25 gift card giveaway that I did because I just hit 5,000 subscribers. I'll do another giveaway when I hit 6,000, so keep on subscribing and sharing to people you think might be interested because I will keep giving back to you guys. Okay. In the ad this week, everyone got a booster. So look in your Walgreens app, or if you do it online, look in your account online and clip the booster for. Spend $25, get $5 in Walgreens cash. It's also spend $40, get $10 in Walgreens cash, or spend $100, get $30 in Walgreens cash. So I have a scenario for both the spend 25 as well as the spend 40. So I'm going to tell you how I chose to use those. I also had a paper booster for spend 35, get 7. So I'm going to tell you how I threw that in and used that as well. Let's start with the one item I grabbed that I did not use as part of a booster spend deal, and it was on this Colgate cavity protection. I did this as a curbside deal, so I could use the $2 digital coupon that was attaching to this. This is priced at $1.79. That $2 digital applied when I did this as an online curbside deal, making this toothpaste completely free. Now, if you've watched my videos before, you know when you have a digital coupon and the value of the coupon is higher than the price of the item, it's not going to work in store, but oftentimes it will work if you place it as a curbside pickup. Another cool thing about doing curbside, and I've mentioned this before as well, is I go through Rakuten first. So I go to Rakuten, I type in Walgreens, I want to say it was 3% cash back again this week. And then it directs me to the Walgreens website where I do my order and check out. And then I get additional cash back in my Rakuten account. If you're new to Rakuten, I do have a link that I've provided down in the video description box below that would give you $30 back when you spend $30. So that's a pretty great referral bonus if you are brand new to Rakuten. So let me walk you through exactly how I chose to do the spend 25, get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster. The first thing that I grabbed, and I've been grabbing these the last few weeks, are these Splenda diabetes shakes. They are $10.79. That is their regular price. They are attaching to 2 different Ibotta rebates. So I got back $5 on Ibotta. I got back $3 on Ibotta, so that's $8 total, which means I paid $2.79 for this 6-pack. But like I said, it's part of the spend 25, get $5 in Walgreens cash, so it ends up making it an even better deal. The second thing I grabbed was this Unisom. This is priced at $12.99. Now, there is a $3 Walgreens digital coupon as well as an $8 manufacturer coupon if you have not used it yet. So that 8 and 3 together is $11 in coupons, making this just $1.99, which is awesome price, especially if this is a product that you use. Another thing I grabbed, and this was another freebie that I did, curbside deal. This Cantu shea butter, it's coconut curling cream. It is priced at $2. There is a $2 digital coupon that as of yesterday was attaching to this item, making it completely free. And then the last thing that I grabbed for this spend deal are these Barilla Ready Pastas. They're priced at $1.99 online. Now, there is a $1 rebate on Ibotta, and you can do that up to 5 times. As you can see here, I grabbed 4 of them. So 4 at $1.99 is $7.96. Now, I got $4 back on Ibotta for purchasing 4, But there's also a coupon on coupons.com, the coupons.com app, for $1 back when you buy 4. So I submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app and I got $1 back for buying 4, making my total cost just $2.96 for all 4 of them, or 74 cents each. If I wasn't doing it as part of a spend deal, I could totally buy that using Walgreens cash. But since I did this as part of a spend deal, I did not use Walgreens cash. Okay, so my total for all of these items was $33.74. Now, my total had to be above $25 for that spend booster to attach. That $33.74, we have to remember to subtract the $3 Walgreens digital coupon. So if my total had been at $25 and then that $3 Walgreens digital coupon came off, that would drop me below the $25 that I needed to spend, and I would not get the booster back. But I was at $33. After coupons for all of these items, I was at $20.74. Okay, I got back the $5 for spending $25 from the booster. I got back the $8 from Ibotta for the Splenda. I got back the $4 from Ibotta for the Barilla. I also got the $1 back on 4 from coupons.com for the Barilla pasta, making it $18 back. So for all of these items total, just $2.74. So awesome deal on that. And I thought it was a great way to use that booster coupon. Now, for this second deal, I'm going to show you, it was the spend 40, get 10, and yes, you can use that booster multiple times. I don't know what the limit is, but I was able to do the spend 25, get 5. I was able to do the spend 40, get 10. So you can use that booster more than one time. But I also had a paper booster for spend 35, get 7. And so I handed them my paper booster with my products. They scan it, it pops up, and then the spend 40, get 10 digital booster also applied. So let me tell you about the individual deals, and then I will tell you all the final numbers at the end. These extra gums, these are on sale at a number of stores this week. They are 99 cents each. There is a $1 off 2 digital coupon. So I'll pay 98 cents for both of them after that coupon, and they get $1 back on Ibotta, making them both free and a 2-cent moneymaker. If you are brand new to Ibotta, you definitely want to join using a referral code. If you use my referral code, you're going to get an additional $10 when you sign up. So if you're not using Ibotta yet, now is the perfect time to sign up and start trying. The other item that I grabbed were these Airheads. These are priced at $2.29. That's the regular price. There is an Ibotta rebate for 75 cents. And then there's a rebate on the Shopkick app for 275 kicks back. 275 kicks is equivalent to $1.10, making this pack just 44 cents total. Again, if you're new to Shopkick, I have a complete tutorial on the Shopkick app that'll walk you through exactly how to download and use that app. I will link it for you down in the video description box below. Another deal that I did as part of the Spend 40, Get 10 were these Pure Zero shampoo and conditioners. Now, I grabbed these because they are Spend 20, Get $10 in Walgreens cash back. They are priced at $6.99 each. So to hit that 20, I had to buy 3 of them. Okay, so 3 of them is $20.97. There was a digital coupon for buy one, get one free. So $6.99 came off. That means I paid $13.98 for all 3 of these, but I got $10 in Walgreens cash back for spending $20, making it $3.98 for all 3, or just $1.32 each. Now, I will tell you, the register did not catch that. I had to call customer service. They looked at it, they said, yes, you should have gotten the $10, and they credited my account. For some reason, purchasing 3, I was over that $20 threshold. The manufacturer's coupon should not matter, but I didn't get the $10 back. So they did credit me that to my account. The last item that I grabbed in this spend 40, get 10 was this Mederma Scar Cream. Now, the tag said it was $23.99, but it rang up $21.99. So just be careful in your store if you're doing a spend deal and you're getting really close to the thresholds. Just so you know, mine said $23.99 on the tag. It rang up $21.99. I had a $5 Walgreens digital coupon that came off, as well as a $7 off coupon from the August 8th save. So I paid $9.99, but there's an Ibotta rebate for $8 on this item, making it just $1.99. So when I add all of these things together, the extra, the Mederma, the shampoo and conditioner, and then the Airheads, it was $42.23. Okay. After all of my coupons came off, I paid $27.24. But I got back $10 for spending $40. That was the digital booster. I got back $7 for spending $35. That was the paper booster. I got back $10 for spending $20 on the hair care. I got back $8 on Ibotta for Mederma. I got back 75 cents on Ibotta for the Airheads and $1.10 on Shopkick for the Airheads. That's a lot of money back, which ended up making everything free and a $10.61 moneymaker. Incredible. Now, I have two other things that hit, giving me an additional $6.80. I have the 10% bonus for my birthday, so it gave me like $3.40 on that. And then there was another 10% Walgreens cash back that gave me another $3.40. So I got an additional $6.80 back on that transaction, which was awesome. I also hit my August Ibotta bonus, which gave me 50 cents back, making everything you see here free and a $15 moneymaker overall. So great deals at Walgreens this week, even though I thought it was going to be a little bit more challenging to put something fun together for you guys. Okay, now I know you want to know who won the giveaway. I do use a random comment picker to pick the winner. It's not based on who leaves the best comment. So the random comment picker picked Kathy Leandro. So you are the winner. You have 48 hours. So let's say today's Monday. So let's say until Wednesday at 2 p.m. to shoot me a email at savingwithchristina@outlook.com. Let me know if you would prefer a Walmart or Target gift card, and I will get that to you. If y'all have any questions about any of these deals, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm happy to help you. I am also including some clearance pictures for you, so stay tuned to the end of the video where I will post those clearance pictures. Also, if you're not already following me on Instagram, you can find me at Save with Christina, as well as over on my Facebook page, Saving with Christina. Thanks.